Digital social innovation is the use of digital technologies like apps, websites, AI, data, and online platforms to create innovative solutions that tackle social challenges. Next, let's talk about the core principle of DSI. The first core principle is problem-centric, not technology-centric. DSI prioritizes understanding and solving a social problem first, and then choosing the most appropriate digital tool for the job. The second core principle is focus on social impact. The success of a DSI initiative is measured by its social outcome, not by its technological sophistication. The third core principle is inclusivity and co-creation. Effective DSI involves the people it aims to help in the design and implementation process. Next, let's look at the examples of digital social innovation. The first one is Fix My Street. This online platform, originally from the UK, allows citizens to report local problems like potholes, graffiti, or broken street lights directly to their local council. And the third example is Plum Labs.
Going to talk about the enabling technologies. These are essentially the tools that make digital social innovation possible. First, we have cloud computing. These are internet-based servers that provide storage and processing power. This allows NGOs to store data. And then we have big data and analytics. It is the collecting and analyzing massive amounts of data from different sources like social media, sensors, satellites, and surveys. We also have artificial intelligence and machine learning. They are smart systems that learn from data to make predictions, recognize patterns, or automate tasks. This can help to save time. We also have mobile and web platforms. There are apps and online platforms that are accessible through smartphones or computers. This increases inclusivity as most of us have these devices.
Next, I'm going to talk about the challenges in digital social innovation. So, the challenge for digital social innovation is scaling and sustainability. This involves securing long-term funding as grants and volunteer labor are not sustainable. Projects must also overcome technical debt, meaning systems that are hard to maintain, and be able to expand to new contexts, since a solution that works in one community may not fit in another. Next, I must tackle the digital divide and accessibility. This means avoiding the exclusion of vulnerable populations like the elderly or low-income individuals who may lack access. Projects must also be careful not to reinforce inequalities, data privacy, and security. It's crucial for DSI initiatives to be diligent about protecting sensitive data with robust security measures. They must also ensure consent and transparency so users clearly understand what data is being collected and how it will be used.
Here are some key benefits of digital, social, and innovation. The first one is accessibility and inclusion. Digital tools make services such as education, healthcare, finance more widely accessible. Next is efficiency and scalability. Digital technologies automate tasks, reduce costs, and increase efficiency. The third one is enhanced quality of life. Digital healthcare, e-learning, and e-government services improve daily living, provides innovative solutions to social challenges like poverty, unemployment, and inequality. The last one is data-driven solutions. Access to big data and analytics helps in making informed decisions, improves resource allocation, policy making, and impact measurement.